The image galleries look similar to carousel. Shows a static image and a pop-up slider when clicked. Set the number of columns and image size. There is an option to use pop-ups or not. The icon list shows multiple icons at once. You can add items by clicking the Add Item button, or change the position by dragging. Change the icon by clicking the icon library. Add a link to each icon. The Style tab adjusts the sorting and spacing between lists. You can also add a divider. You can adjust the icon size. In the Text tab, the text color, hover, indentation, font, and shadow options for the text. The counter shows the countdown. Set the start number and end number. Add text to show before or after the number. Or specify the time in milliseconds for the count to proceed. Separator is a comma divide by 1000. Title is the text shown below the count. The progress bar is an animation that shows the progress. Set the percentage to progress and specify the title text. You can specify one of 4 types of progress bar. Each type has a different color. Go to the Style tab. Change the color of the progress bar here. And the background color. Modify the height and change the roundness of the outline. You can also edit the title text font style here. There is no title. Check it after adding. Testimonial shows the text at the top. The profile image and name at the bottom. It can be one column or multiple columns. This is a testimonial provided by Theme. A sample you can refer to. There are the tabs. A tab have a title and a description. Click the Add Item button to add tabs one by one. When the position is vertical, the tab title is changed to a style positioned on the left. There is alignment option for the title tab. In the Style tab, there are outline, background color and title text. Change the content settings. Accordion is often used when making FAQ. It provides options to change the icon style. Add titles and content. Edit the text design. Toggle is similar to Accordion. Multiple selections are possible at the same time. In other words, the Accordion closes the existing tab when another tab is opened. The difference is that the toggle shows both at the same time.